Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare these snacks together, which it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So I have my flour here. I'm going to add my baking powder into it also. So I will just stir the baking powder and the flour together. The next thing, I add my butter. Mix very well before we continue adding the rest ingredients as I'm doing it here. Just mix together. I'm going to add my egg. I use 1 egg for this recipe. So I will also add my sugar as well. I also add milk on this recipe, so I just add a little bit of milk. So I'm going to mix everything together. I also add a bit of water. You see that all what we need here is what we have at home already in the kitchen. Mix together, guys. Let's continue the process. I already mixed the dough, guys. So the next thing, I'm going to cover to relax for few minutes. Few minutes later, I just divide the dough into two and work with one part first before the other one. So I floor my wall surface so that it will be easy for the rolling. Now I just roll gently. That is what I'm doing now. Just I'm done with the rolling. The next thing, I'm just going to cut to my desired size. So you can cut to any size that you wish. So this is what I'm going for today. Not too big, not too small either, so I just continue that. Just keep on watching and see what I'm doing as demonstrating on the video. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Means you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Let's continue, guys. So now I'm going to floor my tray and put it and continue the same thing that we do for the very first time before we continue the frying. So that is what I'm just doing now before I continue the second part of rolling. Now I continue the same thing which we do for the very first time. So this is the dough, the rest dough. I'm just cutting it as well, just the same size that we do for the first time. I'm done with the cutting, guys. So the next thing is to fry our dough. So now I'm going to continue frying on medium heat, guys. When it's too hot, it's not good. It will get on the start cooking. So look at the differences. Of course, it really looks delicious also. So now we are frying. I think it's already done. Just packing it out. So that is what I'm doing now. beautiful and it also tastes amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye bye.